So on that handout, I got the floor now, thank you. So on that handout, those who speak a foreign language, you should have got 16 right here, because notice that's very obvious from, actually this would be play an instrument and speak a foreign language. That's the overlap, that's right here, the 16. Do not play an instrument is going to be 30. All right? Do not play an instrument. Is that right? Wait, yeah, it's do not play an instrument and speak a foreign language. So let's see. Do not play an instrument and speak a foreign language. Right, so that would be this. They speak a foreign language, but they don't play an instrument. Okay? Now, what does the title say on that handout? Marin, real quick, what does the title say on top? Marin? Okay, so this is called a Venn diagram. So on your paper, go to put Venn diagram. We already went over that. And on the right, we call this a two-way table, right, Gallegos? Right. This is a two-way table. This table is called a two-way table. Why two ways? Well, one way is you read the totals going from left to right, and you also read the totals going down up to from top down. So we got totals going this way. So notice 16 plus 30 is going to be 46, but we also got totals going down. We're going to put the total of everyone who played an instrument right here. We'll put the total of everyone who did not play an instrument right here. And this corner box should be the totals of going downward and the totals going from left to right. So that's why we call them two-way tables. So let's fill them in here. Do not speak a foreign language, 25. Okay, so that's all this area right here. That's not speaking a foreign language. And play an instrument. And then we got 9 who do not play an instrument and do not speak a foreign language. And that would be the people outside the circles. Outside the two categories is right here. 25 plus 9. The total going this way, look at there's a two-way table. Going this way, the total 25 plus 9 is going to be 34. Now let's do the totals going down. 16 plus 25, 41. And then we got 30 plus 39. Excuse me, I'm talking, please. 30 plus 39 is 39. Gallegos, let me talk to you outside real quick. I'll be there. I'll be there right now. Got you. I'll be out there right now. Thank you. You're awesome. So now watch this. The grand total in the corner is going to be the totals going down and the totals going from left to right, which is going to be a grand total of 80. Very nice. Thank you, Gallegos. Right now. No, you're going to go outside right now. Okay, then you go to the office. Take your pick. Choose whom this day. Office or right now. Let me know. Thank you, Gallegos. All right, how about A? Here we go. How many students played an instrument? So if it's playing an instrument, it's every number inside the play the instrument circle. So that would include the 25 plus the 16, because everyone in there plays an instrument. So that would be 41. Okay, so we got to get clear what the circles mean. They actually mean the full category. A lot of people would be tempted to answer this question as just 25, and I saw that with some of the groups. How many people play an instrument? They just look at the 25. But it's everyone in the playing an instrument circle. Careful there. How many students speak a foreign language? That's everyone in the speak foreign language circle, which would be the 30 plus the 16, in this case 46. How many students play an instrument and speak a foreign language? That would be 16. That's the intersection there. Play an instrument and speak a foreign language, that's the intersection, 16. And how many students do not play an instrument, do not speak a foreign language? That would be 9. That's the people outside both categories. That was like our example. These are the people who are not Raider fans or Dodger fans in our example earlier. And then E, how many students play an instrument and do not speak a foreign language? Let's see, play an instrument and do not speak a foreign language would be 25. Exactly. All right. Now, notice at the bottom of the page, we're going to do a little bit of probabilities. We're only going to do 2 probability examples. Here we go. It says here at the bottom of the page there, so this is your copy. In Exploration 1, that's what we just finished, 1 student is selected at random from the 80 students. So we had 80 students surveyed. If 1 student was selected at random, look at what it says. Find the probability that the student plays an instrument. So underneath A, you write this down with me. Let's do this probability together. Underneath A, at the bottom. Turn the paper over. Put probability, instrument. Let's see, what should I put in parentheses to represent instrument? I'll just put an I. What's the probability if I randomly picked a student from the 80 students surveyed that they played an instrument? Well, that's simple. Remember favorable outcomes over total outcomes? So in this case, let's see how many played an instrument. Let's look at that. Is it 41? 25 plus 16 is 41. Beautiful. So it's 41. Total surveyed, 80. Let me get my calculator. 41 divided by 80. 0.51. So it occurs about half the time. 50%, 51%. Let's do one more. We're going to do C, D, and E tomorrow. Let's try B, though. Let's try B. Speaks a foreign language. So let's see. Speaks a foreign language. How many spoke a foreign language? That's everyone in the circle. That's the 30 plus the 16, which would be 46. So we got, so probability, foreign language, I'll put FL, is 46 out of 80. Calculator time. 0.58 to the nearest hundredth. All right, so now, at this time, you either finish quiz 2 from your Google Classroom, if you weren't here on Friday, or if you never finished. If you were here on Friday and never finished it, finish quiz 2. Assignment 2, 3, and 4 are going to be due this Friday. Continue working on those. I'll be walking around to help. Remember, I want to give you your stamp. Make sure you're being productive. And let's get busy. Chromebook carts open. Let's get busy.